Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function help. Hey Python learners! Today we're exploring one of the most helpful tools in Python, the help function. Whether you're just starting out or diving into advanced topics, help is your go-to guide for understanding Python objects. Let's break it down. What is help? It's a built-in Python function that displays the documentation for a specified object or the Python help system itself. Here's the syntax. Help with a possible object. Object is the object you want help with. This could be a module, class, function, or variable. If no object argument is provided, it launches an interactive help system in the console. Why use help? It's all about making your life easier as Python programmer. Here are the key concepts. Help is your built-in documentation tool for learning about Python objects, methods, and modules. It pulls information from an object's docstring, or Python's internal documentation. And you can use it to explore built-in functions, libraries, or your own code. You'd use help when you're learning how a function, class, or module works. Perhaps when you're debugging your code and need clarity on what an object does. Or when you're exploring Python libraries or built-in features without external resources. Let's start with a simple example using help to learn about a built-in function like length. This simple call displays information about the length function, including its purpose and usage. You can also use help to explore Python modules, like math. Here, help lists all the functions and constants available in the math module, along with their descriptions. Help isn't limited to built-in features, it works on your own code too. Here we have a class called example with a docstring. This is a simple example class. We also include a method called greet. It also has a docstring, returns a greeting. When we call the help function on our example class, it displays the docstring for the example class and the docstring for its greet method, providing useful documentation for your custom code. If you call help without arguments, it launches an interactive help system. From here, you can type the name of a topic, function, or module to learn more about it. To exit, just type quit. You can even use help to inspect variables or objects at runtime. Here, help shows documentation for the list class, including methods like append and pop. Here are some key points to remember about help. First, it relies on docstrings, so always write meaningful docstrings in your own code. 2, it works with third-party libraries provided they have documentation. And third, it's a quick and efficient way to learn about Python features without leaving your coding environment. And that's the help function. To recap, it's your built-in guide for understanding Python objects and modules. It's perfect for exploring built-ins, third-party libraries, and your own code. Whether you're debugging or learning, help is always there to support you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!